Welcome to the lab at Nanoscience Instruments. I'm Dr. Burnett, an application scientist. This is the Phenom ProX G7 desktop scanning electron microscope from Thermo Fisher Scientific. The Phenom ProX is the fastest SEM available, taking only 30 seconds from sample loading to electron imaging. The Cerium Hexaboride electron source is more stable and lasts over 3,000 hours, significantly longer than traditional tungsten filaments. The instrument's magnification range is up to 350,000 times and has a resolution of 6 nanometers. The sample holder accommodates pin stubs up to 25 millimeters in diameter, and loading a sample is simple. The user can use tweezers to place the sample stub into the sample holder. The rotating collar can be used to adjust the height and can fit samples up to 30 millimeters tall. All the integrated detectors have been optimized for a single working distance, so the working distance won't need to be adjusted during the analysis. After the sample is loaded, the imaging process begins. The integrated navigation camera shows an optical image of the sample stage, and this is used to navigate to the target area. The controls are easy, clicking to move and scrolling to zoom. Once the user has identified the location they want to image, they can click on the Move to SEM button in the software. This starts the pump down procedure. Once the pump down process is complete, the imaging is ready to begin. The Phenom ProX takes less than 30 seconds to generate the conditions needed to start image acquisition. When the sample is under the electron beam and it is seen on the live view, the user can start adjusting the settings for image acquisition. On the left are auto contrast brightness and autofocus buttons that optimize the image. The image is captured and saved to the computer by clicking the camera icon. The navigation camera window is accessed by clicking on the arrow on the right side of the screen. The user can select a new sample or location in this window and can start imaging at this location. The lower bar displays magnification, voltage, intensity, and the detector used for imaging. Clicking on these values gives options to change to preset values. The drop-down menu at the top of the screen has additional controls for imaging parameters. There is also an advanced menu that is password protected where even more options are available. The system can be further customized in the settings page. Additional information on the sample can be obtained using other software packages. Integrated Energy Dispersive X-ray Spectroscopy gives information about the elemental composition of the sample. The EDS button opens EDS mode, and clicking on the sample starts EDS analysis. The spectra acquisitions are displayed on the bottom of the screen, and the chemical compositions are displayed in the side panel. When the analysis is complete, the user can navigate to a different position to take additional measurements. MAPS is a powerful enhancement that automates acquisition of large datasets, including SEM imaging and EDS mapping, and seamlessly stitches and aligns them to provide detailed visualization across expansive sample areas. ChemiSEM and ChemiPhase are additional software features that utilize EDS analysis. With ChemiSEM, both the sample morphology and elemental distribution are overlaid in real time on live SEM images. This helps with identifying areas of interest, detecting contaminants, and understanding elemental makeups. With ChemiPhase, areas with similar elemental compositions can be grouped to identify distinct phases in a sample. There are other ways to customize the Phenom experience. Software packages include tools such as image stitching, 3D roughness reconstruction, particle and pore analysis, and fiber analysis. Custom Python scripting can also be used to automate repetitive tasks, such as particle detection and multiple image acquisitions. Several optional sample holders are available for the Phenom ProX, such as the motorized tilt and rotate holder, the temperature-controlled holder for heating or freezing samples, and the electrical feed-through holder for in-situ electrical controls and measurements. Other accessories include sputter coders, which minimize charging and enhance SEM image quality. Ion mills are useful for preparing artifact-free samples for high-quality cross-sectional analysis. The Nebula Particle Disperser is designed to assist in dispersing powder samples, facilitating their preparation for SEM analysis. Thanks for joining this overview of the Phenom ProX G7 Desktop SEM. If you have additional questions or want to see a product demonstration, please contact us at nanoscience.com.